Hello, I am Dr. Jeffrey Budz, President and Principal here at Joliet Catholic Academy. It's with great pleasure that I welcome you to our virtual open house. JCA is a college prep high school sponsored by our founding congregations, the Joliet Franciscan Sisters and Carmelite priests. At JCA, we take safety very seriously. We know in these trying times of COVID, we want to make sure we have the best environment for our students. And with that said, we do welcome our students on campus each day. Half of our student population is on campus, learning in class with their teachers, while half of our population is at home, learning from those same teachers. We know that this connection that our students make with our teachers is very important to their overall educational experience. Over the last several years, we've tried to make our environment here at JCA conducive to the best learning environment possible for our students in their success. With upgrades to technology, environmental upgrades with the new windows and air conditioning in each of the classrooms, spiritual upgrades with a brand new chapel, and educational upgrades with a brand new Innovation Research Center, which mirrors a college library. We know with all these upgrades, amongst others, we know that our students will have the best educational experience and the most resources to find success here at JCA. Throughout this open house experience, we hope that you can see all that we have to offer. Please ask a lot of questions. Use us as resources. We want to make sure that you have all of your questions answered and you have the best experience possible. Once again, welcome to our virtual open house. And may someday we see you as a future angel or hilltopper.
For more information, please visit our website.